Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are still carrying on Dollar Tree makeovers, just not a figurine. So this plate I've had a while in my stash. It's 5.5 by 5.5 inches wide, and these were at the Dollar Tree. The plates. The stencils are, I cannot think of the name right now. I'll put it up on the screen. But this is a really awesome website. They have this stencil that they came out with. I think they collaborated with another influencer to help design it, and you can get it in all different sizes. I will also put up what size I got. But I want to make lots of different stuff with this. So I started with the base of that folk art mossy meadow acrylic, and I did 2 coats of that. Once it was dry, instead of sponging on and holding the stencil in place, I traced it with a pencil, and that's just because the plate has a little bit of a lip where it raises up and it angles up, and I wasn't going to be able to get a really clean line because it was going to have some sort of, it was just, I'm doing it this way instead. I didn't want to deal with it. So to get, not have to like redo it and start over, I wanted to make sure I had full control. So I'm filling in the entire head first, the first stencil. And what's nice is they will number your stencils so you know what order they're supposed to go in. And then once that is dry, we are going to go in with inline number 1, not 2. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to trace it with a pencil because this was much easier to do than trying to hold it here and sponge with different colors. And we are going to, so I think you got part of a kitty face. And then this is the second overlay. I got a couple other stencils that I'm going to do some projects with. They're just not Halloween related, so I'm excited to use their stencils. I really like them. So I'm going to paint every line that I just drew white, and that is because I'm going to use some lighter colors, green and yellow and orange, and I want them to really pop. Especially the green I'm using is a neon green, and so it will light up under a black light. So I want them to stand out and be as vibrant as possible. So using the white acrylic paint first and then going over it will just help the paint colors pop, where you're not doing a million layers over black paint. And then I will go through and paint, clean up my lines, is what I mean to say. Clean up my lines with some black acrylic paint before we start overlaying all the colors. The whites on the cheeks there were not part of the stencil. I just did that instinctively. I really like how it came out. And so here I'm covering up any pencil lines that are still visible with the black, and then just cleaning up some of the lines. So here's the colors we're going to use. There's the orange I always use, and I almost dropped my whole plate on, but if you like that kind of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the neon green I'm starting out with, and the neon green I did get at the Dollar Tree, and the yellow I got at the Dollar Tree, and then my white and black are from Michael's and Joann's. So I'm now just going over with all of the green first, and then I will go in with the orange, and then I do the yellow last. And the reason I do the yellow last, even though it's filler and it seems like maybe I should have started with it, I wanted the green and the orange to not get muddled or like mix weird over the yellow. So I made it a little more difficult on myself by then going in, and basically whatever white is left gets yellow, except for the mouth. I fill the mouth in. So I just wanted the colors to be crisp, and this is like one of my favorite projects so far, is how this whole plate came out. So I had a lot of fun, and it was super easy to just follow these lines. So this is a pretty simple little craft. The stencils, if I can't, the price. I'll have to put the price up on for how much the stencil was. I want to say it was under $15. It wasn't terrible. So yeah, so I'll put all the links in the description box below, and this is available on my Etsy store. So if this is also the only one, that is also what I meant to talk about earlier, is that I can't find these plates. I tried to look and I cannot find them. So I don't know if Dollar Tree just stopped carrying this. I don't remember when I got this plate, and so, but I will try and find something similar. So once this is all dried, I gave it 2 coats or 1 coat of my 2-time matte Rustoleum. It's my go-to, and this is the final result. I love how this came out. You could do whatever colorways you want, of course. I went with this classic black cat, vintage 50s cat, and I really love it. I want to find more so I can make one for myself, because I think this is one craft I have to do for myself. But I will see you guys on the next one. I've got lots of Halloween crafts coming, so don't forget to give me a like and a follow, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.